Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair from Amazon. They sent me this bomb closure wig and I will be installing it with y'all. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the knots as well, y'all. We're about to get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I definitely love this hair. I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. It definitely was easy to install. Let's get right into this video. So y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. Everything will be in the description box for this hair, y'all. Literally everything, as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if y'all are interested in shopping with them. I will be turning around and showing y'all the back. This wig is very full, y'all. It's definitely full. I love the curl pattern. I love everything about this wig, y'all. I doubt if I even sell this once I'm done wearing it, but it's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I definitely would recommend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below, y'all. As I mentioned before, you can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you, and I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, don't forget to go shop with Nadula Hair.